Welcome guys, in this video I will teach you each and everything you need to know to get started using sets in Python. Set is a collection of unique objects that are unordered and unindexed. Sets are denoted by curly braces. Sets are used because they store only unique data. It means that duplicates are automatically removed. First of all, I will show you how you can create a set. See this example. First of all, type the name of the set. In this case, I am naming the set set1, and then use the curly braces to store the values in the set. For example, this set1 will store the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is set storing values from 1 to 5. You can get the values of a set by the name of the set. Let's run the program and see it displayed the values 1 to 5 that are stored in set 1. If we have a duplicate value in our set, for example, if I pass 5 two times and then print the set, here you can see that it displayed 5 one times because set only store unique values. If a value is a duplicate or more than one times, these are automatically removed. We can add values to set by the add method. For example, if we want to add the value 10 to the set 1, we can use the add method set1 dot add, and here type the value you want to add to the set. Now if I print the set1, it will contain the value 10. Here you can see it displayed 10 because the set1 dot add method add the 10 to the set1. So add method is used to add the value to the set. After the add method, we can remove a value from the set. For this purpose, remove method is used to remove a value. Set1 dot remove 5. Run the program, and now you can see 5 is removed from the set. When I print the set, it displayed 1, 2, 3, 4 because set1 dot remove statement remove 5 from the set. There is one problem with the remove statement. If we provide the element that is not in our set, for example 10 is not in our set 1, and run the program, it will give us the error key error. To avoid this, we can use discard method to remove a value from the set. Set1 dot discard 10. Now run the program, and you can see it displayed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and no error is found. If here I type 5 and run this program again, you can see it removed the 5 from the set. So this is the difference between a remove and discard method. Remove method create an error if the value is not present in the set, but discard method does not create an error and does not break the program. So using discard is better than the remove method to remove a value from the set. After this, there is a clear method that can be applied to the set. Clear method removes all the values from the set. Now let's run the program, and you can see it returned empty set because the clear method cleared all the values from the set. So clear method is used to clear the values from the set. After the clear method, we have union method that is used to get the union of two sets. Create another set, set 2, and set this equal 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here you can find the union of set. Now we can find the union of these two sets, set 1 and set 2. For this, simply print set 1 dot union and give this the set 2 as argument and run the program, and it gives us the union of two sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union of two sets is all the elements that are present in both sets. So it gives us the elements that are present in both sets. That is the union of two sets. After the union of two sets, we can find the intersection of sets. Set 1 dot intersection set 2. Intersection of two set is the common values that are present in both sets. Let's run the program, and here you can see it displayed as 4 and 5. Two values 4 and 5, and here see in set 1 and set 2 only two values 4 and 5 are common. So we can find the intersection of two sets by intersection method. Similarly, we can find the difference of sets. For example, set 1 dot difference set 2. Run the program, and you can see it gives us the values that are present in set 1 but not in set 2. This is the difference of two sets. If here I pause the set 1 and here change the set 2, now it will give us the values that are present in set 2 but not in set 1. Here you can see 8, 6, 7, because 8, 6, 7 are present in set 2 but not in set 1. There is one more method, symmetric difference. This method returns the values that are not common to both sets. Run the program, and it displays 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. You can see 4 and 5 are common to both sets, so it does not return the 4 and 5. This symmetric difference is the method that returns the values that are not present in both sets. After this symmetric difference method, we can check whether a set is subset of a set or not. For example, if we want to check whether set 1 is subset of set 2, it will return true or false. If set 1 is subset of set 2, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. You can see it displayed false because set 1 is not the subset of set 2. Here I create a set 3, and set is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now here check that set 1 is subset of set 3. Now it will return true as the set 1 is subset of set 3. Subset means that all the values of sets are present in other set. All the values of set 1 are present in set 3. This means that set 1 is subset of set 3. You can see it display true. After this, there is a superset method. We can check whether a set is a superset of other or not. Is superset, and run the program, and it displayed false. Set 1 is not superset of set 3. Superset returns true if all elements of another set are present in this set. So in this case, it returns false as the elements of set 3 are not present in set 1. If here we change set 3 dot is superset of set 1, now it will return true, and you can see it return true because all the elements of set 1 are present in the set 3. If all the elements of one set are present in the set 2, then set 2 is the superset of set 1. In this case, we can check whether a set is superset of other set or not. After this, we can check the length of the set or total number of elements in set. For this, we use the length function. Length of set 3, and it displayed 9, as the length of set 3 is 9. You can check the length of set 1, and now it displayed 5, as the length of set 1 is 5. There is one more method that we can use. that is in method. In function is used to check whether a specific element is present in the set or not, and this return true if the element is present in the set, otherwise it return false. For example, if I want to check whether 10 is present in set 3, it will return false because 10 is not present in the set 3. But here if I check if 9 is present in set 3, you can see it return true as 9 is present in the set 3. So these are the methods and functions that we can use with the sets